Want longer hair without harsh chemicals? Let me show you a simple natural spray you can make at home that actually works. Hi beautiful people, I'm Dorcas from Casa Naturals, and today I'm sharing a DIY hair growth spray that nourishes your scalp, strengthens your hair, and helps your hair to grow healthy, thicker hair naturally. So if you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much, my beautiful friends. So on Casa Naturals, we keep things real, we don't sugarcoat. Okay, so these are things that work that we talk about, my beautiful friends. So here is the real truth. Okay, so you don't need to spend a lot when it comes to your hair or your skin. Okay, so here at Casa Naturals, we keep things simple, my beautiful friends. So here is what you need. Of course, you can measure. Accuracy is very important. So of course, we are using distilled water, 75.2 grams. So distilled water balances your scalp. It helps ingredients absorb better. It prevents mineral buildup found in tap water. So of course someone can ask a question to say, can I use tap water? You've heard it for yourself, my beautiful friends. Okay, then you need aloe vera. So of course you can use juice or gel. So aloe vera soothes an itchy, irritated scalp, hydrates dry hair. It supports a healthy scalp environment for growth, and it also reduces hair breakage and supports thicker looking hair. It also seasons the moisture on the scalp and strands. So my beautiful friends, make sure that at any point to add your ingredients, make sure that you give it a stir. This is very important. Okay, and of course, you can use any aloe vera, okay, even store bought. Then you need an oil, so you can use any oil that you have, but I'm using my stimulating hair growth oil from Casa Natural. So this stimulating herbal hair growth oil contains 10 different kinds of oils and herbs that promote hair growth. Okay, so of course I've done quite a number of oils on my channel. I'll link them in the description box below, but of course this one is for sale. I sell it, my beautiful friends. So you can use olive oil if you have, or coconut oil, you can use that. Whatever oil that you have, you can use it, but I love using my stimulating herbal hair growth oil because it promotes growth. The next ingredient is vegetable glycerin. So we are using 1.6 grams of our vegetable glycerin. So glycerin attracts moisture to hair, keep hair soft and flexible, helps prevent dryness and snags. Next is our peppermint. So we're using 0.5 grams of our peppermint. So peppermint stimulates the scalp. It prevents it. It provides a cooling, refreshing feel. It helps wake up dormant follicles. So if you don't have these essential oils, but you have the herbs, you can use the herbs in the water phase, like you infuse them in water. Then our next essential oil is rosemary, 0.5 grams. So rosemary supports scalp circulation, promotes hair growth, it encourages growth, it reduces itchy scalp, and reduces shedding. So these essential oils, like, they're very important. So we are using apple cider vinegar next. 1.6 grams of our apple cider vinegar. So make sure that you go for apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. So apple cider vinegar balances the scalp pH. It prevents product buildup. It adds shine and smoothness. So if your hair is dull, like apple cider vinegar will make it look shiny and healthy. Okay, so subscribe to Casa Naturals and give this video a big thumbs up. And comment in the chat section below, my beautiful friends, if you are going to try to make this powerful hair growth natural spray. So of course I was using simple natural apple cider vinegar. So make sure that we give it a stir. Make sure that you combine all the ingredients. So my beautiful friends, because this is a water-based product, it has high potential to bacteria. So if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the refrigerator and use it for 1 to 5 days, and then you discard it. But because at Casa Naturals we don't waste anything, we are going to add our UX710 natural preservative. So actually we are using 1 gram of our preservative. So preservative actually prevents bacteria and mold and yeast growth, and it increases the shelf life of the product up from 6 to 12 months. So keep the product safe for daily use. So healthy hair growth starts with a healthy scalp, and this hair growth feeds your scalp daily. So give this video a big thumbs up, my beautiful friends, and comment in the chat section below if you're going to try out this natural hair growth spray. So our spray is ready at this time. So as you can see, the oil has come up, as you can see. So if it were I was making a product for sale, I would have added some stabilizers. Okay, so you need a spray bottle. So we are going to use 100 gram spray bottle. This is very important so that your product can spray very well throughout your hair strands and of course on the scalp. So you need a funnel to put your product in your spray bottle. So that is how it looks like, my beautiful friends. It looks so beautiful. All natural products that actually promote a hair growth. Okay, so if your hair has been breaking, just make this DIY hair growth natural mist. So this is the moment. Now our hairspray is ready, as you can see. So give it a stir, shake it, my beautiful friends, as you can see. So whenever you want to use it, make sure that you shake it, because the oil actually will come up, because water and oil don't mix. Okay, so you need an emulsifier to make sure that the water and the oil come together. But of course, this is just a natural, simple DIY that you can use at home. How to use it? So spread directly on your scalp 3 times and make sure that you massage. Okay, massage promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So of course, my beautiful friends, this hair mist actually boosts blood circulation, so you can also lightly mist your hair at the ends of your hair, and actually it gives that extra moisture to your hair. So this hairspray actually boosts hair growth. If you try this mist, comment below and tell me how fast your hair starts growing. So don't forget to like, share this video with someone who needs healthy hair. So continue spraying in your hair regularly, or even in a protective hairstyle or on your loose hair, whatever type. Like this hair growth spray is good for all hair types, whether you have 4C hair, straight hair. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless you.